Today I'm heading out to Badwater Basin to see and experience the temporary lake that has appeared in this usually dry salt pan. This video will be in two parts. The first day I visited it was under cloudy skies. The second day it was under beautiful bright blue skies. This shallow lake is a distant cousin of the original Lake Manly. Badwater Basin is the lowest point in the continental United States at 282 feet below sea level. Lake Manly was a long, narrow lake, extending about 90 miles long and 11 miles wide. The lake only formed last August due to heavy precipitation from Tropical Storm Hilary. Currently, the lake is only about 2 feet at its deepest point and is evaporating fast. In fact, between day 1 and day 2, the lake had receded about 25 feet. Admittedly, the lake was only a few inches deep at the edge, but it indicates how quickly the lake can form and disappear. This sign, mounted high up on the mountain adjacent the parking lot, shows how much below sea level this place is. Normally, this is what you would be walking on if you visit Badwater Basin when there is no water present. Off to the side is a patch of dry soil with a sprinkling of salt deposits, and yes, it does look like snow dusting the ground. I finally reach the edge of the lake and take in the unique sights and get mesmerized by this rare occurrence. Water from the surrounding mountains is still trickling into the basin to offset some of the water that is absorbed into the ground and also evaporation. Here you can see me wading in the shallow edge of the lake. A little further away from the edge of the lake, I saw this family enjoying a once-in-a-lifetime moment. Here's a view looking back at the parking lot. Here's that sea level sign. Following are some still shots that I took. Due to a slight breeze that was creating small ripples, I could not get a mirror image of the mountains. For that you have to wait till day 2, later in this video. Also, the mountain colors are subdued. On the way out, I encountered a brief rain shower. The rain shower ended as quickly as it began, and I was graced with a beautiful rainbow. Shortly thereafter, the dark clouds and the bright sun created a double rainbow. What an exciting day, visiting a lake in the usually dry Badwater Basin and seeing a double rainbow all in the same day. Day 2 started under beautiful blue skies. This is a distant view of Lake Manly. I saw that between yesterday and today, the shallow lake had receded about 25 feet due to ground absorption and evaporation. This group of people were part of an organized tour, and I saw their coach in the parking lot. Here is today's view looking back at the parking lot. Notice how different the mountains look under full sun. You can see the difference in the reflections today. The winds were calm and the lake surface was like a mirror perfectly reflecting the surrounding mountains. And the colors are more vibrant too. This family had bought a paddle board. Just think of what wonderful memories they will have telling people that they paddle boarded in Badwater Basin, which is dry 99.9% of the time. The milky haze you see here is caused by water vapor in the air due to evaporation from the lake. Yes, here I am again, waiting at the edge of the lake. Here are some still shots taken today. With these final images, my trip to Death Valley comes to an end. Thanks for joining me, and see you on my next adventure.